some of my Mother's Day haul.
Only use the Porta-John provided.
Porta-John is one of those outdoor toilets that the city puts up sometimes. You know what an outhouse is? Kind of like an outhouse, only portable.
Okay.
Aww. She's laid her eggs right in the driveway. Poor baby bird. That wasn't a good place to do that. Darn. She's trying to guard them. Folks with the RV come in tonight, they'll probably knock them over. Pulled back into the RV park after dropping Hannah off today, and look, sweet little bird having a bath in the raindrops. Joys come in the coolest places. These little birds keep our RV nice and clean, the whole top of it away, well, not clean from bird poo, but clean from bugs. They get all the bugs that get on the top of the RV and they eat them.
Baby.
All right, you two. Hi. Yes. Yeah. Hi.
Hi, baby.
Oh, my kitty-boo. Come here, darling. Come here, darling. Yes. Yes. Hello, Grandma. Say hello, Grandma. Say hi to Mommy.
Hey, babe. Yeah. Over here.
The two kitties almost snuggling. About as close as I've ever seen them anyway. Sophie, say hi to Mama. Say hi. Say Mama. Somebody knows, don't they? Yeah, somebody knows.
Again.
You can say whatever you want to her.
Hi, Cat. I miss you at your house. We're sitting over here with your 3 cats and just chilling out, waiting on something. Right. Eating a sandwich.
Yeah, tell her thanks for lunch.
Thank you for your lunch.
Again, same leak, same location. I think the way they put it back together was to glue it because there's some kind of glue-like stuff hanging down in there. This is the disconnect, so it's broken here on this side of the disconnect. Playing with Catherine's toy.